Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry and today's video is going to be really quick. I'm going to show you my purse of the day. I have my Felici pochette. This is from the Game On collection, and this little poop ball is actually hanging off my keys because the bag is so small I can't have like an actual key holder. And in the chain, I don't have much in here. These are really small bags. I got my wallet, lotion, lipstick, a bracelet to wear with a different outfit, some hand sanitizer, just some really minimal things to carry in here. And I am carrying my larger tote bag because I'm actually going to be traveling. But here we are. I'm using this bag. I've shown this in my last What's in My Bag video, but I wanted to do a quick showing you what I grabbed from the store yesterday when I went into the Coach store. I had to return a little mini gallery bag that I bought. I bought the watermelon one, but it was like an imitation brown and watermelon, and I did not want the imitation brown color. So I returned that bag yesterday and picked up something else in store. I picked up two new purses, and this is going to be like a little mini alert of this bag that is available only in stores right now. You can get this in the store, but not the website right now. So look at this, you guys. This is the candy pink color in the gallery tote. It's a new release for the season. I'll show you the difference in these bags. So this is the taffy color that I already have. And then this is the candy pink color one. It has I don't want to say a blush. It's not very light. It's a shade lighter than this one. So I did pick this one up in the store. So I wanted to kind of give you a heads up that this is new release and it is available in stores right now, not on the website. Let me get a couple of items and show you this with some other items. I have the cosmetic, the Julie, I think it's called the Julie cosmetic case. This is the exact same color as this bag. So for those of you who have this cosmetic case, you will know like what this color is. You can see it's the exact same color. So in my last What's in My Bag video, all the accessories that I showed in that video will coordinate with this bag very nicely. Show you that again. So this is the first bag that I picked up. And let me show you the second bag that I grabbed. I tried to grab this bag online during the sale, but they had already sold out by the time I decided to buy this bag. It's in this bag right here. So let me show you quickly. I bought the mini Rowan. I fought so hard not to buy this bag, you guys, and I kept telling myself I wasn't going to buy it. I went to the store a couple of times to see the bag, and I just kept saying no, 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 no. But I finally gave in, and I said, let me go to the store and see if it's in the store because I know it's out of stock online. It was in the store, so I grabbed it. I'm going to show you like a really quick comparison to my other mini Rowan. At the time when it came out, it was called the mini Rowan, but everybody is saying like it's the micro Rowan, but this was officially called the mini Rowan first. They have made it bigger. Let me grab it. Okay. Here's the new Rowan here, and here is the first release edition that came out like last year or the year before last. I forget when. I want to say in 2020 version. And there you go. You can see that size in the back. So I know they have a brown one available that's in this size. I did not want that brown one because I already have this one. So I didn't see the need to have two brown ones. And then I have all my Louis Vuitton ones. But I wanted something in the lighter khaki print. And of course, why not get the pink, right? I tried to fight it. I didn't win. But there you are, you guys. Alright, you guys, that is it for this video. If you have any questions about anything in this video, definitely comment, leave it down below. Which pieces do you like? Do you like the first gallery tote bag that I have, or do you prefer the second? Which one of these bags do you prefer in terms of the little micro Rowan or the mini Rowan? Do you have a mini Rowan bag that you just adore? Hit me up in the comments. As always, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Alrighty, bye.